Hey guys, do you want to sound more advanced or sound like a native speaker? Or do you want to express yourself in impressive way? Hey guys, welcome back to Boil the Ocean, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about few phrases that you can use in your daily life to sound more advanced or sound like a native speaker. Piece of cake. It means very easy. For instance, do you want me to solve this question? This is just piece of cake for me. Hard nut to crack. It means something very difficult or very tough to do. For instance, art and craft is really hard nut to crack for me. At the 11th hour. It means at the last moment or almost too late. For instance, I thought the opponent team won't be able to make it, but they did it at the 11th hour. Out of sorts. It means feeling unwell or sick. For instance, I'm out of sorts today, so I'm not able to attend this meeting. Call on the carpet. It means to scold. For instance, I didn't complete my homework. I'm super sure that my teacher will call me on the carpet. To beat around the bush. It means to discuss a matter without coming to a point or to talk about unnecessary things. For instance, can you be more specific and stop beating around the bush as I'm not getting your point? Get the ball rolling. It means to start something. Generally, we use this phrase to encourage the people to do the same. For instance, guys, we really need to complete this project as it is quite important for us. So let's get the ball rolling. So time to wind up the video. Hope you liked it, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And yeah, remember 2 keywords. Be confident and keep practicing. See you in next video. Bye.